I'm back here at Wyoming Park to vlog Ty fishing. He already has a busy summer vacation. Family's all the way over there. There they are. Wonder who else is fishing.
Sure. I'm trying to help.
There they are. Okay. Oh, there's Ty. I see Ty. Ty's not fishing? Oh no, he's done fishing. Oh, I keep trying to avoid all this poop. Oh my God, so much.
I caught 10 fish.
Are you done?
No, I caught 10 fish.
That's congratulations, you rock. Are you gonna fish some more? Because I came here to vlog you.
I'm gonna go to the park.
Can you fish one more time for me and show me? And then I'll take you there to the park. You caught 10? How many did everybody else catch? 10 too? Watch out, don't step on poop. Auntie, she caught 10 too?
15.
15? I don't believe that. I think she told you that. Did you count? She tells stories all the time. How many did you catch? 20? See? I mean, sis? Are you gonna? Do you know how to? You know how to put worms yourself? Okay. All right, Ty. I came at a good time. Huh? Do you put worm in your hook?
No.
Okay, why would I do that? I don't touch worms. They're disgusting. But they're good for something.
Fishing.
Oh, you know how to cut it and everything? Oh my God, look at this boy. I'm glad I got you in here. He's used to touching worm because he has a turtle. Oh my God, you're killing the worm. Oh, I don't know if I like this sight. He is fearless too. Look at him. Well, don't cut yourself. Oh my goodness, you're not scared? I'm scared. And it's still moving. Look at the worm. Oh my God, it's so egregious. I wouldn't want somebody chopping me up. Oh, I see you, Ty. Look at him. He knows what he's doing. You look like a pro, Ty. You know people make money off fishing. Look at that. He's not even flinching. Okay. I'm so glad I made it here, buddy. Yeah, go catch a fish for me and I'll vlog you playing for your reward. So you caught 10. Did anybody get a video? Any more pictures? Just one picture?
Auntie.
Okay.
Got more than one, just one picture.
You got more than one picture, sis? Ay, nako. That's why I came on my own. I can't rely on people to do stuff for me. Oh, it's a mess. What are you going to do with your dirty hands?
You have like a man.
Have you been putting the worm yourself, or you just did it just now?
I did it a couple times.
Oh, a couple times?
Papa did the rest.
Okay, thanks for showing me how you do it. You're so brave, buddy.
Where you at? Alright. Alright, then do what I showed you.
Okay, Ty.
Make sure your line's clear, your line's tangled. Tie. Go the other way. The other way.
Your fans are gonna say, what doesn't this kid do?
Still tangled at the top. Bring it here. No. Come here. Bring it here. You can watch the hook on the bottom now. Okay, now you're good. You're good now. You got people beside you now. Go up a little further like I showed you. Step over this way. Step back some. Step back some. Step back. Step back. Step back. Go to your right some. All right, now do what you do.
Okay, Ty.
Good cast, buddy.
You got an arm on you.
Crank it. All right, now watch your bobber. Take the slack out.
Okay, Ty. All right, buddy. Look, he's serious. So every time you cast, do you get a fish? Almost every time, no?
Almost.
Almost every time? Okay. I got you. There's...
Not that night at first until I got it.
You what?
Watch your bobber.
Yeah, it's coming down.
Okay, Ty, I see you. Okay. Oh, it's hot out here. It's like 88 degrees.
9.
You got something? You don't? So what do you do? They just ate it?
Stand tall.
Okay. You got to throw it again or they ate your worm? Okay, it's still there. So you have to do everything over? What happened? You gonna try something? They ate some of it?
What you got, buddy? See, you ain't trying to do that. You got to cover your hook just like that. Good job. Cover it up. There you go. Good. That's good. Make sure, you always want to make sure your tip of your hook is covered because that's what the fish bite at, that tip right there. So as long as that's covered, you're good. And this, as far as this goes, you got to make sure when you come up with this hook, TJ, I'm trying to prevent you because all fishermen are going to stick themselves with their hook. I'm trying to prevent it from you, but you're going to eventually do it if you don't pay attention to it. You see how that is messed up at the nose? See it twisted on the nose? That's how we broke it last time. No, at the tip of the pole. You see it twisted?
Yeah.
Now your line's twisted. See that? See how it's wrapped around there? You got to see that. There you go, wrap it around. See how it's supposed to come out like that. So you got to make sure you check it every time before you cast it out there. You're going to stay, okay. Keep going to your right. Keep going to your right. Keep going. All right, now go ahead, do your thing. Good job.
Wow, Ty.
Crank, click it. Get the slack out. Stay right there. Good job. Good cast.
Okay, Ty, I see you. Oops. I need to put it in my...
No. Get the slack out. Watch your bobber. Get the slack out. Pull. All right, now let it sit. Let it sit. Get the slack out. Let it sit.
Huh? I think this is the one. Hopefully you catch a big one like Uncle Tristan.
Uncle George caught a big one earlier.
How big? How many pounds? You all didn't weigh it? Your mom wanted to know how much yours weighed. Oh my goodness, I don't know how y'all stood out here.
I got a bunch of
I'm already ready to go. Catch this fish and I'm going.
DJ, pull.
You got something?
Oh, it broke.
Hey, keep it going. Hold on, just hold on. No, stop.
Oh no, I'm okay.
He had a turtle. He had one. I seen it when it came up.
It's okay.
I'm gonna go back to the park. I'm gonna go to the park now.
You cool? Good? Oh, I see what happened to you.
What?
That tie broke.
Yeah, pop. It was a battle burger.
You done anyway,
when I got
you
the
You done?
10th one, when I was like tugging and I was ruminating, it like popped down.
I got some tie straps at the house. I can fix that easy.
Good?
Good?
Yeah, I'm not doing it no more.
All right.
Can we go to the park? Because I almost caught.
Ready to go?
Can we go to the park?
Huh?
Can we go to the park?
Just so I can see you, buddy.
But what if Gina wants it?
If G-Mon takes you, good. Just make sure you let me know you're gone.
Okay.
You gonna take your hat
Yeah.
and your stuff? If you would, you can leave it here until you're ready to go.
Yeah, I'll just
All right.
Look, come on.
I told you I'd take you there if you caught a fish.
Gina.
Whose bobber is that? Oh, is that
Gina.
Just back up some. Back up. You're too close to my camera. Hold on. Let me get my stuff together. I gotta play my game while I'm waiting on you.
Waiting on me to catch a fish?
That's why I came out here to catch a fish.
Watch me at the park. I caught 10 fish. And you
Yeah, I should have came earlier, but I was trying to hurry up and get here. Time goes by fast. Okay, come on, you can go play. Well, at least you almost pulled in a turtle.
Yeah, the thing slapped on me because that's her.
Watch where you step in. There's a lot of poop out here. You literally just stepped on one. I watched you. Which side are you going? So I think I'm gonna sit out here. I'll watch you though. I'll watch you from here. There's no shade over there. I have to get under the tree. How did he get there? How do people get in? Okay. Oh my God, it's too hot out here. Next time I can, oh man, camera. I'll let it. It's hot. Ty, be careful. I see. That boy can climb. Ty, do you want to? Ty. When you're done here, you want to go to Grandpa's house with me? Sure. Okay, because we're going to go over your house later anyways. Ty, please be careful. Ty, be careful. Don't try to climb any higher. You have on Crocs. That's pretty high though, buddy. Look how high he is. Oh shoot. God, did something fall on my head? Where's Ty at? Oh, there he is. Yeah, it is hot out here. I would vlog closer, but...
Yeah. And then you'll need a box to move this to the fiber optic. Well, I think it's one of those TV, which is what we had with
Go from scattered tasks to one list you can manage. To one list you can manage from Gmail, chat, and calendar. A more organized workflow in just a few clicks. Hit every deadline on time with Google Workspace.
You ready to go?
I'm thirsty.
Okay, go over there and ask Pop for water. Oh, don't touch me. You've been touching the worm.
Of non-stop news and weather starts now. We begin
You ready to go, Ty? Huh?
continuing coverage of the ongoing
Are you ready to go?
Comical County's executive and the sheriff. Uncovered letters are now shining new light. In September of 2024, County
right here, off out. This one right here.
Do you guys have water for Ty? You don't want water?
conflict with what Giordano said yesterday morning.
As the county executive of Wyoming County, I have never sent inappropriate photographs to a deputy, to a county employee, or to anyone else.
Are you going back?
I never
Huh?
would.
Are you ready to go?
Letter Giordano said, quote, "It is deeply concerning that a
Hi, Ty. Ty, are you ready to go?
Seeming to acknowledge a
You gonna go back over there? Sit here. I'll watch you.
We asked Giordano and Lewis to speak with us today. Lewis declined, and Giordano did not respond. These
Yeah, I'm gonna sit here and watch.
after a new story. Why now?
It's hot out here, but the breeze is helping.
Tonight with high temperatures
Say hi.
across Delmarva, the Delaware Department of Health and Social Services has activated cool cooling centers across the state. These centers offer air-conditioned space, water, food, clothing, and a place to escape the heat. Administrators in Dover say the center's mission goes beyond helping people cool off, connecting visitors with other agencies and resources designed
out with
to help address long-term needs. Polling centers are open in each Delaware County from 8:30 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. Those relief can find more information on the WDOC news.
You ready to go? Oh, you want to go with them? Oh, okay.
No, I'm leaving. I want to go with you.
Oh, you want to leave when they leave,
Yeah,
but you want to ride with me.
yeah.
Okay, that's fair.
I might go back to the park.
You not? I mean, you can. I'll watch you.
From there?
Yeah, right here. I have a zoom lens. I can zoom in on you. You don't have to sit here and be bored. You get bored easy. Okay, there goes Ty. Oh my goodness. Oh, we just ate breakfast. What do you have to eat? Apples? Ham and cheese? You ate ham and cheese? Oh, that's nice. What, did you go to McDonald's? Oh, the food in that heater or whatever. Ty can climb. Once the battery's gone, the vlog stops. Oh, somebody caught a fish.
And it was right here.
Oh, that's nice.
Oh, she caught one. Cool.
Right in here.
That's probably one we can buy.
That fish is not smart. They keep falling for the same trap. You probably caught the same fish that you caught the other day. You don't take a picture of your fish? Each fish? Timu, did you feed your